Welcome to Indonesia. In the heart of the Banda Sea, far from the rush of modern cities, lies a world painted by nature itself. This is Wakatobi, 4 islands forming one of the most colorful marine paradises on Earth. Here, the ocean isn't just blue. It's emerald, sapphire, and gold. A living canvas of life beneath the waves. Wakatobi stands for its 4 main islands: Wangi-Wangi, Kaledupa, Tomia, and Binongko. Each island tells its own story. Wangi-Wangi, the lively gateway, greets visitors with smiles and soft ocean winds. Here you can see dolphins swimming freely. Kaledupa Island, calm and cultural. Where traditions meet the sea. Tomia Island, a diverse dream, blessed with crystal waters and coral gardens. And Binongko Island, the island of blacksmiths, forging iron with fire. A contrast to the gentle sea around it. Here in Wakatobi, land and sea breathe in harmony. Life flows in rhythm with the tides. Below the surface lies a world of wonder. Over 750 species of coral and 900 species of fish fill these waters. One of the richest marine ecosystems on the planet. Every coral branch shelters life. Every ripple of water dances with color. In Wakatobi, the sea feels alive. It breathes, it speaks. It teaches us that beauty thrives in balance. That the smallest creature, the humblest coral, has a role in the great circle of life. For divers, this is paradise. For nature, this is home. Among these islands live the Bajo people, often called the sea nomads of Indonesia. They've spent generations living above the water, building homes on stilts, reading the tides, and navigating the sea by instinct. Their connection to the ocean runs deeper than survival, it's spiritual. They remind us that harmony with nature isn't an idea. It's a way of life. As the sun sets over Wakatobi, colors fade into calm waters. The ocean returns to stillness, silent, yet full of life. Wakatobi isn't just a destination. It's a reminder that beauty lies in balance. And peace begins where the waves meet the sky.